already a whole itinerary. We did our best to stick to it, but God knows we failed, so. Breaking shit, real breaking shit. So we're gonna pour him a tiny little shot of his namesake, absinthe, real quick. Can somebody hand him a tiny, tiny shot of, I don't know if y'all know, absinthe is some deep shit, so not a lot, please. Where's his cup at? I need y'all to put your hands up, drinks up.
Trust me, you gotta drink, bro. I don't know if it's strong enough.
That looks strong as fuck.
That shit
That looks strong as shit.
That shit looks like more than 30. That shit looks like a 50-year-old drink.
All right, real quick, hold your drinks up.
That's strong.
I need y'all to sing for my boy real quick. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Absinthe. Happy birthday to you. Everybody take your drinks with your man.
Cheers.
All the way.
y'all have been to enough jams, but this man was spinning real music the entire night. None of that bullshit. Spinning real tracks. So one more round of applause for my man, because this shit is not easy. Knowing good music is not a simple task. Another shout out to Rich Nice. That's right. Feel free to boo him as well, but we got this venue. We got this venue because of Rich. Fucking chaotic as hell, but we love him. Shout out to all his work that he's been doing. It's not a simple task, y'all. It's really not. Between the local shit, breaking for gold, and his actual full-time employment in Newark, the city of Newark, this shit is not easy, all right? Give it up, give it up.